YouTube, what is going on? It's been an interesting day in the markets today. During the live trading sessions in my Discord, we took three entries today. And well, I think two, and we had a sell buy stop, but didn't get activated. But couple positions here. And what we was looking at today during the live stream was this momentum coming up pre-market open. Okay, we had this momentum right here. Nice bullish move to the upside, breaking above these key levels, right? It's very important. So it broke above there and closed here for the new 4 hour candle. What I was then anticipating, of course, if we go to the 4 hour time frame, was this candle to create a bottom wick, right? Which is exactly what happened. So this candle here closed nice and bullish. This was the pre-market move. And I was anticipating that bottom wick to be formed before we could continue bullish pushing up. On the 15-minute time frame, that is how it looked, right? So we waited for this pullback here. Beautiful, nice 4 hour bottom wick coming down. And then we get the bullish momentum coming back into the market. So the first trade I entered was this right here with this closure of this 15, breaking bearish structure. So we had highs, lower highs, lower highs. We then break that bearish structure, drive up here with a beautiful 15-minute bullish candle closure. And I entered right here on the break of that candle high. After that, we sat in a little bit of drawdown. And let me see, let me show you the Discord. We sat in a little bit of drawdown, which was that here today. Yeah. 18th of March, right? Here's the buy stop 3-1, 301410, right? And boom, activated. It was setting stop loss, setting take profit. And then once that 15-minute candle closed bearish, this is where I started to look at getting out of break even, right? So we entered here, price drove in a little bit of drawdown right there, took out the liquidity from those 15-minute bearish lows, and then came back up to entry where I got out. It did then continue a little bit to the upside, about 36 pips, but it wouldn't have hit my take profit anyway. Then would have come down and hit break even again. Then once price started to move back up above our IBO level, this is an IBO. It's a very loved strategy in the community, provided by the V5 indicator. All these levels that you see on the chart. Oh, I just deleted it. All these levels that you see on the chart are automatically printed by V5, giving us beautiful entries each day. And so we had a V5 breakout right here. This is an IBO intraday breakout. Okay, this candle coming above this level, giving us a breakout. Again, I entered on the breaks of these 15-minute highs right here. Price came down, created a steep bottom wick, came up and closed bearish back below this IBO. So once this candle came up and started pushing back into my entry, I again got out of break even right there. So that was two break even trades, and you'll see another. Here's the next buy stop 301889, and here we can see we closed that trade right there. Again, buy stop activated, running commentary on the entries, moving stop loss, moving take profit, what have you, closing the trade, exactly the levels I'm closing the trades at. So yeah, that was today's trades. I was considering another entry right here, but of course, the entry that I didn't take was the entry that actually would have given us the profit for today. But that was my trades today, all broken down live in my Discord on the live stream right here in this channel, live trading VIP channel. I go to the chat, you can see the chat in there for today during the live stream, and also called out in the signal channel at the same time, because anytime I press buy or sell on my MetaTrader or move stop loss or move take profit, it automatically sends straight to that Discord channel. So a little bit of a frustrating day. Jeffrey here got a little bit beaten. Not gonna lie, I beat him up a little bit um, because we was anticipating this bullish move from the beginning. Right, we was looking for buys today, anticipating this bullish move, but just couldn't get a clean entry where price just pushed nicely into take profit. On my funded account, however, I didn't end up closing these trades at break even, just because I'm a little bit risking a little bit more on this account. Kind of just letting the trades play out, trying to pass it. So I did actually make some nice profit today on this one, about $40 profit. Um, and we're currently sitting at around about $259 profit, about just over 5%, 5.2%, I think, on this funded account. This is my first ever funded account um, that I'm doing, and we're over halfway to passing it at the first attempt. So happy with how this is going. But yeah, this is the entry. Let me go down to the 15. Not sure why this is lagging like this, but yeah, that was the entry right there. Bought right here. Sat through a little bit of drawdown, 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 and then boom, exited the trade right here at the top, pretty much. And yeah, that was a trade on the funded. But yeah, decent day. A little bit frustrating, like I said. These things happen sometimes. Yesterday we actually had buys. No, yesterday we had sells. This, again, which would have hit take profit. But yesterday, really annoying. With what happened with the trade again, we entered the sales on my live account and actually ended up getting slipped like 9 pips. So my entry was actually 9 pips below where I actually wanted to enter. So I ended up getting out of that trade at break even, but then price came down to hit my full take profit. Not really keen on getting slipped 9 pips. This doesn't really happen too much. I've now invested in a VPS, which is making the entries a lot more clean. So far, it's looked like it's made it a little bit more clean, but we'll see how that goes. So a little bit of a frustrating start to the week, but again, this happens. It happens to me. I've been doing this for 9 years. Um, I share all my trades live in real time, wins, losses, whatever it may be, and even sometimes these things do frustrate me a little bit and kind of not get me down, but just get me a little bit in my feelings and you know kind of just think, well, what's the point? Like, what am I doing? What are we doing here? Um, so we'll go through that. We'll have those things, but we're all human at the end of the day. But yeah, that's the little recap for today. Decent day in the VIP. Some members did actually end up catching the trades right here. Nice little profit, 112 also dollars from the signals. They didn't end up closing and ended up catching this move up very nicely. But yeah, that's it. Let's see what tomorrow brings. We got news tonight in about, when is this? About an hour. Building permits and housing starts. We'll see what happens here. I'm looking for gold to continue bullish here above these levels. The V5 indicator levels around about 3026,547 and 3027,285 ish. Looking for price to continue above up above these levels. And we'll see if we can catch anything here today. Appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in joining the VIP and live trading with me every single day, the link is down below. And I'll see you in the next video.